Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Heroism, power, determination, resourcefulness, courage in battle, generosity and leadership are the natural qualities of work for the Kshatriyas. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Farming, cow protection and business are the natural work for the Vaishyas. And for the Sudras, they are labor and service to others. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. By following his qualities of work, every man can become perfect. Now please hear from me how this can be done. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. By worship of the Lord, who is the source of all beings and who is all pervading, a man can attain perfection through performing his own work. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. It is better to engage in one's own occupation, even though one may perform it imperfectly, than to accept another's occupation and perform it perfectly. Duties prescribed according to one's nature are never affected by sinful reactions. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Every endeavor is covered by some fault, just as a fire is covered by smoke. Therefore, one should not give up the work born of his nature. O son of Kunti, even if such a work is full of fault, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. One who is self-controlled and unattached, one who disregards all material enjoyment can obtain by practice of renunciation. The highest perfect stage of freedom from reaction. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O son of Kunti, learn from me how one who has achieved this perfection can attain to the supreme perfectional stage, Brahman, the stage of highest knowledge, by acting in the way I shall now summarize. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Being purified by his intelligence and controlling the mind with determination, giving up the object of sense gratification, being freed from attachment and hatred, one who lives in a secluded place, who eats little, who controls his body, mind and power of his speech, who is always in trance and who is detached, free from false ego, false strength, false pride, lust, anger, and acceptance of material things, free from false proprietorship and peaceful. Such a person is certainly elevated to the position of self-realization. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. One who is thus transcendentally situated at once realizes the Supreme Brahman and becomes fully joyful. He never laments or desires to have anything. He is equally disposed toward every living and piety. In that state he attains pure devotional service unto me. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. One can understand me as I am, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, only by devotional service. And when one is in full consciousness of me, by such devotion, he can enter into the kingdom of God. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Thou engaged in all kinds of activities, my pure devotee, under my protection, reaches the eternal and imperishable abode by my grace. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana